Some people, Rosealee get mad and go for some of cuz friend them where this are up and some next youth. You know what I mean? It come like them do a song for her or something like that. But more want to know hear what Rosealee have to say about them. Cause you know say Rosealee more bad and Rosealee no all about nothing. So we are gonna get into that, my people. And also yesterday Queeny and Dewey go up on live with RT Boss and Blinger and bring down Momo and say some things. So after them left from over RT Boss them, my people, Queeny go click live and add do it to the live. One piece of sitting them go on with over them my people. Them bring down Momo wicked scene. So we are gonna get into that after. So we are gonna kick it off with Rosealee and then we get in a Dewey and Queeny.
They look on Sussy one who used to power with blood clot cause till him a power with Roger now. For long a blood clot them and town. Me see him over there. One of the big belly one, Busshead as a little batty creature. Some of them out stink. One of the pan like trouble people. Some of them out stink. All of sweat stink. Some of them out stink. Body stink. All of them sweat stink. And me like argue with bitches. Come say una bitches. Me and a friend. Don't call me blood clot name. What me and my niece in England. Me and a friend not call me name. Me not like uno. Uno not gonna see me on playing a match. Uno would take. Uno would take. My niece in England I see that Busshead would take. Me not like some bass man. Bass man. Waste man. Waste man. Uno mama shame a uno. Uno mother shame a uno. Chan. Them mama shame a them. Look how uno depan live. A class woman want to uno mother. Want to uno mother we birth uno. Cause anytime you see man disrespect woman like that, you know something fishy there. Something is coming, Shan. A long time with the Anya. Anytime you see man, me auntie for England, disrespect woman like that, them a batty boy. 4 batty boy like that. Them never saw the boy who pass Roger a batty boy. Out of the man town. The one where the woman clothes. Me see now say yeah batty man. The one who part where the guy Roger. Me say yeah batty man now. Me see it. And Busshead him now with him cranny bleach out blood clad self. We look like him see for days. The blood clad one we are seeing look like him hungry, him want beard, life dump on him. What I do for top star roses? I'm not funny, you know? Cause I come on Tik Tok and with people for not get a 30 score no big and careless. As some know no suck. As some know no suck. And when me talk about the boy that will come on the app will suck. Them the set a boy there. Uno not funny. And then uno not funny. And true uno not funny. True uno not funny. Uno do everything has me necessary. Me have vision on the boy. Me have vision. Have me the soon bend down and beat on the lip. The whole 4 round. What the man would wanna have? Waste man. Waste men's. What a man would wanna born with. It is a me think that my son could have behaved like someone on TikTok. Must say blood clots. You mad? My son could never, and I mean never, behave like some of you bitches on the app. You're mad, crazy. Yeah? But look how now though. For taps and two and out.
Hey, me love when Rosealee come out for people, you know. Me not lie. Cause me have to cut out some of the part them. Rosealee said she just a look pan, she just a vision them with the see something a beat pan them lip. You never see man a beat them thing pan a woman lip yet. Yes, my people. And that Rosealee say she just a vision them as that because where them come out and a do and say about her. You know what I mean? But Rosealee have to know say TikTok is kind of a bring down thing in a way. You know what I mean? Some of the time them youth them bring down a person, forget a little buzz. But me know Rosealee now make certain thing pass and she not deal with them. So make me know wanna think my people. We'll go watch some more.
Look one out of the taps and two blood clot and out. Auntie! What? I didn't take much of my chair. Auntie, thank you so much. Eh? Look how now for taps and two and out. None of you don't even have a good score. None of you don't even have one good score for say boy. You don't have one good 30,000 lion score. Not even a good 30,000 lion score. Eh? Then when I look TikTok when I look, Busshead him. Now stop sending me requests. Why you request me, brother? When I look Busshead him not stop, why you send me requests? For that I want to know. Why you send me requests? Him can't apologize to me because I block him. Me don't want them yes so. Yeah, all after this, I say what you want, brother. I from what me see you follow me. No, don't follow me. Me own a friend. You mad? You're crazy. Me feel like say some of you bitches, some of you Zuma, the ugly blood clad one, the way one, I don't know him name. The batty boy from down at them and town. Come apologize to me. I'm a friend from them. Respect me and I respect you. You can't depend live. And 4 on the Sunday as men. I hear the man after Lulu and Rosealee and Avan this and Roland and Sonia. You laugh and do the things and then down the long run. You like to sit and play a match with World Dog. You like to sit and play a match with anybody who not talk about. You like to sit and play a match with them. And the funny thing about it, you guys are stupid. Because you don't know who is watching in the live from X-Cam member, a Team Bless member, a Dream Team member from here, a Ivan member. You don't know who is watching the live from anybody team. where just there, where just they pound the screw up and alive and fall in. And say, alright then, let me hit that person a shoot or whatever. Wanna mess it bad. Cause most of the time them I saw it go. Me there saw, me there saw rank. Sometime team bless come. Team bless come. World Dark, somebody from over World Dark come. Somebody over Swiss League come. Anybody from any team or go anywhere them can come see you. Fall in your life and shoot for you. You don't think about that. You don't life and discriminate people for what? One of them don't even have Angela and a ballad and so on a waste man. You can't want to be seen so much, you never did christen. One of them on the live when you done class, you don't even have 100 US dollars and a balance. Eh? You know make song. Una make song. Come make song about no mama big stinking blood clot hole. Una broke hungry like dog. Una broke hungry like dog. Una broke hungry in a blood clot like dog. Go make song about to the more big stinking hole. I want to use my pad and strength. I want to use my pad and strength after some blood clot. Some blood clot. Wait. I want to use my pub and straight having some fruit pot drinks and serve on the round table. Boys, like gonna forget 3-day pad. 3-day pad. 3 day. I should just put that on and take that one strength and go for drink. Come make song about to no mother rotten throat back. No mama will walk and suck cold and catch man. No mama will fly and maggot take them all in a stinking mother. Busshead want to your mother. Busshead want to your stinking mother. He Busshead, the batty boy from down at them and town. Want to your stinking mama. What as them broke them want to no mother. The next big belly one will look like say a papers. Full of female, want to hear it, mama. Your mother called about all in her ears. The one we are sing the song is a Batman of you.
Me nah lie still, you know, people. Rosealee have fixed them blood clot, you know. Rosealee have fixed them, you know. You see me? And them know, say, once them come for Rosealee a go done them and she a go do them bad. You see me I say, and no man can stand up to a woman when it come to cussing. You see me? So you better them see Rosealee and love Rosealee. You see me? Cause Rosealee mouth no good. People make watch some more.
Half batty you come out. The one who has sing me say, can me not think you have a mother? Warm to the batty where you come out. The foreigner look hungry in a blood clot. Cause my slung per life and nothing going for me, I have to do the most. But just circle back somebody. The foreigner hungry in a blood clot, I would do anything. Me not ask. Foreigner hungry, I would do anything. I mean anything. For money. Foreigner. Busshead that one, the Batman one from out of them and town, the one, the suck batty one, and one next big belly man, the next big belly one. Won't do anything for money. Yeah. You know what I like? The men them and the app, the man them on the app. That desperate for attention and money, too money craving. Money hungry, attention desperate. That's all the while they go on, Jim. Don't give human chances. Don't give human chance. Don't give human chance. Don't artists come. The anyway at all, a be a man full up. Don't give human chance. Don't give human chance. Some of that mistake we can count on the few good man them were left in Jamaica. Pay batty boy. Pay batty boy. Who do not give woman chance? No, boss said your friend them give me a chance to behave bad. For money. Give me a chance. Me shit, but I me if you behave like when come remember me not look good. Give me a chance. Remember I'm big and odious, me not look good. So give me a chance to do the most people see me. John Cross. Remember I'm big and shit, but me not really neat and petite. So give me a chance. For go out with something for look money. Only not give woman no chance. That me realize, and upon the app alone, a reality all over in the world. If artists come this up, peer man full up, you can, them beg, and them come back, and them now move. Eh? Only not give woman no chance. With nothing. You not give man a chance. Like Busshead, you stinking waste man friend them. Give me a chance on the app. Let me establish my shit bad self. Because you not going, I want to soon not go nowhere. You will do the most. How you guys not go anywhere? You're over there class. Me with not even 1,000 score. That not look cute. You're over there, class, thank you, Keisha. You over there rub me out with not even a 1,000 score. Y'all make song for nothing. You want to be seen for nothing. No, make it make sense. Make it make sense. Cause I say me I bring down somebody, me now bring down somebody for nothing. You understand? You guys are females. Something whip. Jaws mouth. Period belly. Yeah. Cause right about now, all I left to do, I just want to come off for like the phone up on 4-way call and have on phone a beat. Yeah. But not to like Busshead here, friend them give me a little suck vibes. Like that's you know somebody who just give me one line and I'm suck your old yeah and them the vibes that your friend them give me. Yeah, your friend them give me vibes. One look up back the vibes. Yeah, your friend them give me that. One look suck lick up back the vibes. Yeah, your friend them give me that vibes they both said. Me that lick out your body. And them the vibes they give me. Cause not funny. Cause I don't want to feel like come pan Tik Tok come tongue play pan woman. Come pan Tik Tok come tongue. That especially that boy there. Them give me a vibes. That boy, the boy from Nonga them and town. Especially him. You give me a subs, bro. Me not telling a lie. Say yeah, batty boy, you know. But I tell the Tik Tok show no up.
Sure, no star. Hey, people, you see enough of them youth here. We are forward on TikTok nowadays. Me I telling you, them youth here, them disrespectful you know what I mean? Them disrespectful. And them are gonna do anything to get them name out there. You see it? Yeah man. And Rosealee have to know say I saw TikTok go. You know what I mean? Enough people want them name out there and them want to start get gift. So them are gonna do whatever for that go on for them. You see it? And at that them a man as good as I do. You see me? And them are entertain them people too. So make go watch some more people cause Rosealee nah ease up off of them.
TikTok show all up, yeah. TikTok show up. All I know. Just to show up all of the batty boy them in the world, yeah. Because the things you want to do for money. And if you can analyze making up songs and bringing down a woman that doesn't trouble you, that doesn't know you, imagine what you would do behind closed door for money. No, tell me the ratio. I don't know you guys. We have never met. I never played no matches with you. We have never correspond. I've seen you upon a live make up song and the throne so long and entertain it and laugh. See what I want to do behind closed door for money. That's why me could have never ever send me boy for TikTok. You mad? None. None of you know. Because the things you want to do for money is unbeatable. None of you know. And none of you know. Because from soon I say Batty Village. And I can line no up in the corner. Because the one from none of them and Tony, especially him, you give me a Batman vibes. Look like you look Roger. They all watch Roger have one around him and own a Batty boy. Or Roger have one around him and own a Batty boy. Count a Batty boy, you know? Oh, Roger having around him and on a Batty boy. Me forgot ask Roger. I say, Roger, oh, you have them boy around, you know. Because from soon, on a wig and dress, on a Batty boy, on a Batty man. No comedy no go so. No comedy no go so. Any man where you see, wear woman clothes and wig a Batty boy. My son can't put on a woman wig nor a clothes. You're crazy. You're mad. There. Eh? Power tap strat. You see it. The more I dip on this app, the more them teach me learn, the more I advance. I see that I don't do anything for money. I don't give you man. Even upon the podium, I don't give man chance. Thank you for the money gun chat. Even upon the podium, I'm not give man. A peer man want up there every week. I have never sit here and see 3 women upon the podium one be a peer man. I have from the pan TikTok, you know, I have never seen 3 women on the podium before. From I'm here, I have never seen 3 women on the podium yet. Peer man. Sometimes 1 woman can barely squeeze Miss Russell. Peer man. Like, the things you guys do for money. Some of the people them we are gift, we don't even know them if them one of them a woman. Some of the people them will have them woman DP said so. And I'm throwing like, yes! You don't know if them a man or a woman. Most of the gifts of them we are gift, you don't know if them a man or them a woman. I TikTok has shown up someone so much. Thank you for the wheel, baby. Thank you for the gifts, guys. TikTok show up someone so bad. So much. So much. TikTok show up someone. Rosealee, this and rocking mouth. Me only no blood clot size company in that age group. But wait my turn.
Alright, my people. Tell me what you think about that. Is me, guys, I don't know why them got trouble with Rosealee still, you know. Maybe them want her for done them. So them get a highlight, you know what I mean? So we are gonna go over to Queeny and Dewey and all my people, because you know Dewey say something about Momo them say and a real thing what them a say about RT boss, but me I wonder if Dewey do that just because him and Momo them no good. Cause when I go hear upon that live with him and Queeny upon, like, you know what I mean? It sound like say boy to me still. But more I know what uno think. So make we go into it, people.
False allegation. You hear that? Cause in a real life, me and no boy can wrap up with no woman. And your man where you got Jamaica go take inveigle in them things there. Me and him and I see him bumbuckler thing. And if you continue rat me little bumbo will me go talk things when me not for talk. You hear that? Cause you dep on the blood clot live a chat a bag of lie when even blood clot go so.
They know them love people business and receipt. Oh, you know no
Oh, you
stinking
don't have no
went to
receipt
tell
for me. I
man
tell you this and I tell you that. And oh, you have conversation with me. Babe, when me say something to you in a real life, if me that look you, me that been there on your phone. Me see and that man there on phone 24/7 from him wake to when him a go in blood clot bed. Me and you never even spend not even a minute good on a phone. Know that. So when you talk about me, are you a look man? You hear me say to you, and me never either look you. Know that. Are you send your man for come ask me if me have feelings for you, me tell him straight. Bad man, how me fi have feelings for your girl, blood clot girl. Remember
Thank
good no
you.
man. I want him to know. You can small up my thing. I want to go small up your man thing where they are Jamaica where you never get a passport for him to even come a blood cleat foreign. Know that cause that's the start. And you don't even start it. Cause you don't even know the finish. Much less the half of it for even get into it. Depend. Oh, lawyer this and lawyer that. From when they depend lawyer this and lawyer that. Girl, come off for people now, man. I want to hear. I'm gonna look boy you youth them. Bumbo cleat. If you want something for do.
She don't have nothing to do. All she want to do I bring down people at daytime and feel like such a perfect.
I'm tell you already about stink. Anybody in a world have stinking clot, you can sit down in a Uber. You sit down in a car of bathroom. Car of bathroom. You nasty bumbo clot and come on internet to talk about people. Hey girl, go ring up your bumbo clot in your mama ear. If I ever anywhere she blood clot they and turn it like when a key turn in a door blood clot now. Cause them think they outdated. I press people, I press button for going at them house. You hear that bumbo old girl. You're not even gonna know them blood clot things because you don't even know a house. Much less for going a house. Girl, come off of people bumbo clot me.
Where they do it? Move on the blood clot. When I go look for the blood clot, boy, and put him for justice. Me on the blood clot, CID.
One thing they wanna have with the man. With somebody a chat. And not even him a chat. I wanna question the blood clot, little boy. I question whosoever not. Uno could trick me. That's why I never bring it on my platform. You notice that uno me send out there for go chat who no want for chat. You notice me never put it on my who want the way them want do in a life, the way them want to do. I care zero.
Cause on to no dirty blood clot. So we don't know if dip up on my blood clot husband every day and text it from him. And depend him, oh, him no want Queen, him no love Queen, him no blood
see
clot
people
feelings.
Bumbo clot business and leave it alone, man. I want to your business. Me want my wife as a blood clot. Nothing want me and I in story.
Yeah. Me want him. End of blood.
So with the fuck that it every day you go sleep, you wake. Every day you call my name. I'm not afraid for blood clot talk. I watch the internet. So at the end of a good day, I watch you.
Love me, married to me. That's good enough. Him love you.
Let me tell you something. No, don't know my love from my heart. You hear that? So you can't talk for me. You hear me talk for my bumbo clot self. So at the end of a good day, you come off of my name.
Not talk about clout.
I want to know. Remember good man. You talk about girl I send me $100. You should have shame in your bumbo clot self because what? You can't help nobody, you can't even help yourself. You know, see what you have to do at night time. You have to sleep here and there and every bumbo clot wear. You know, see, I catch girl. America, I come. I mean, I have to do what you do. Me have a comfortable bed when I lie down, you know. Right now, it even want to spread because I don't want to come outside from morning. Idiot girl. I want to take and chat to bumbo clot me. You can't have bathroom. Hey, girl, move around, man. You have things. I want to see a bumbo clot crutches want wash. Big idiot girl. Boy, yeah, this thing see, boy, yeah, put camera. I show down down below. You know, see big blood clot belly where you have. That's why you have to hide yourself.
Bang belly blood clot, cover your class. Pop the blood clot belly and dash with that.
Hey, I one thing with Queeny do, you know. Queeny, I go say my husband, and go on, but do it. Me not like Queeny love do it differently still, you know, people. Me not lie, you know. You don't know that too. You see me? So, my people, wanna tell me wanna think about Dewey saying what he's saying about the person where Momo them bring out, say it RT do whatever, because Dewey say not too long ago that Momo them did a question the youth. You see me I say, and then him tell RT say Momo them, you know what I mean, tell the youth for whatever. And now him a say Momo them question the youth. So that look to me like say some happen why them question the youth. You see me? So wanna make me know wanna think people, because this is confusing in a way, me not lie. Because Momo I say one thing, Dewey I say one thing, RT and Blinger them I say one thing. You don't know if you believe.
Thinking that the belly there, you want to do it again. I want to hear. I hear me I say no, don't make the army say this time. You hear that coming? I know which part you go do that, the bum buckler body there. When girl curve out, the panty line if you're sinking, you're sinking the panty where you can't even see jaws, girl. Know that. Jaws will sit down pan body. I want to like girl, you talk about sexy. Sexy me bum buckler, to frighten man, frighten you. Mood in your blood clot, yes, because your mouth done. I want to take a look and chat over yourself.
Yes, that she want.
I hear she blood, you know, she tell you, when she catch it now, yes, I in her mouth, it's done. I want to take a girl. Yeah. Every day you get up and
My man just this me move your blood clot. I'm alone can this me. I'm take it. Move your blood clot. This me out. My man just this me out. How?
But me I feel, Amari call me, I'm a come in I care, come tell us, say, the lady call me. And you gonna make a big issue over it. Oh, don't deal with when you when you deal with RT boss before you and him kick off. And me say, yo, what you know, you cannot deal with them brother there, you know. You tell me straight what you know, me can't tell you who to deal with. So when you have to come tell me, say me can't deal, what the fuck do you girl? I owe you. I'm tired for telling you, say, not you see the queen that. Like you know. Play chess from the queen move the board off a bum buckler there. Yeah, somebody things there's nothing man, move up man, move around. When you move around you get a better hold on when you move around you get a better reception. You know see reception a fail. You're blind or you're dumb. What the fuck do you idiot girl? Move around man. I want to hear. You got Jamaica. How much money you go to a Jamaica? Well, how much money you go to a Jamaica since you fly? None of them ever put your pan on them WhatsApp much as them blood clot IG if you say yeah. Me have a foreigner. Hey girl, they even recognize in a foreigner book man. Nobody now recognize a girl. Move up the man. I remember good enough. Remember good enough. When you come to Jamaica first time, you know, I never have no money, you know, I don't want you going out, but me going out a little bit. And you come to Jamaica, and remember, and you know, no clothes, you know, because you never come with no suitcase, you know, big idiot girl. Remember promotion you go do forget one clothes for you come a party with we night, you know. Remember blood clot. Stop trouble when trouble now bother on a big old girl car what? Me there how long I no see you, you know. Me there how long I no see you.
Do we tell them about $100 with them name out for buy blood clot liquor?
I'm if I tell you, anyhow, me never have no money that night. They will not drink no liquor and a foreign you come from, girl. And I saw a business guy Jamaica. For you come from foreign and go a party, and you feel ensure say Christmas dey on the table. You hear that?
Do we say me no want him no want me and me want him? That's good enough. So is that a this? Him going to want blood clot here. Is that a
if me never want the woman mood still there. So with the woman, want to no brain.
We don't justify nothing to nobody. You know what me want.
Me there on her for nothing. What want to no brain? Something wrong with you now? Slow. On a slow.
Dewey, you not owe them nothing. You don't want it.
Me make sure telling you something. You see what the queen do? No, nah do it. I mean, me not go in at the regular. Me see me a work already. I mean, no enough for a big old girl now come out on the bed and come assist me for my bumbuckler journey. You hear that? So if she do all them things there for me, in a real life, love half a blood clot there. So when they run up on a bumbuckler, me say in a real life, me want to see no for uno. Cause me have to get charged for uno. You see all the big idiot girl you tell me about me can't this or America. America me there CT. You hear that? I'm been all over the place from state to state. Know that. Me not go through customs if you never know, cause I look like you not fly from state to state. I drive from state to state. Big old girl. You can't chat to man. Eh? I want to hear. You tell me about me can't this, you can New York or your place. Cause hey girl, go ring up your head up under your mother and bum buckle like this. You know, like when in a long time days
No,
when them
she
shoot key in a
can't
key
people.
in a keyhole and turn it. I say if you ring your blood clot head up in your mama and go turn your blood clot head. You hear that? Broke. Bumbo clot you sit down on live. The seat where you sit down it not hot till it a bust out, girl. I want to you, man. Fix up, man, and go look something for do, man. You need something for do. I want to you. You need something for go do. You big bumbo clot crosses. That's why I never kill. In a shame. Eh? You all I want to talk about who? What?
Man, do it can't get cancer. You use your Wi-Fi for watch way. Move your blood clot. Your father is a Batman. Your father clot, you know, your body. That's how you know about Batman, girl. Your father is a Batman. Move your Batman, the blood clot.
One thing me know, my conscience na blood clot, but me a night time and when me wake a morning time. You hear that? Know that. You hear that? You
Move on the
know that.
blood clot.
So when you not talk about this and talk about that, no boy na file for me come a boy. A moment me find, a moment you chat and me say yo something a straight boy yo. I want to lift up. You hear that? Right this side come down. Me no play games. I want to know.
No, Shalom, forget up and slug in her car. You want a toilet in your car, girl.
The toilet in her car. She need a blood clot toilet in her bumbo clot car.
Move on a blood clot, but stop cussing. I want to think people now blood clot feelings.
You can't come style nobody. Eh? You can't come style nobody.
Yo, people, me not lie still know what you are going. All you know see Queeny are going there, you know. Queeny fresh out of foreign, you know. You see me? Queeny fresh out of foreign, man. If you know what say do it, the America and she the England and she can't go America. You know what I mean? And a long time do it America now, you know. And what day I see I think she put up and say boy she miss him and one bag or something. Yeah, she love him, you know what I mean, and her man, so she gonna miss him, but you know say Queeny love do it differently. You see me I say? So you just imagine how Queeny feel if you know say the G not there wish part she there right now. You know what I mean? But people make we listen some more because boy may I tell you Momo and Queeny and Dewey this now got done. And plus RT and Blinger, Chaja.
I want to stick to your target like I say, man. I want to know. You know what it do? It a burn if you know say me the America. Big idiot girl.
Yeah.
You hear that? And not even my foot you can't stand up. Cause you want cloud so blood clot bad. Me nah look over which part you the girl. You know see that? I want to hear. Eh? Go one side and go easy, man. Boy, you look good way. And you put on a jazz right now and the bumbuckler panty line a sinky in the jazz and a TV jazz. I say, I want to girl.
Do what
you
you
can't
mean?
chat to nobody. Eh?
So do when you know the day Jamaica Tik. You never see the big white blood clot label at the back of her clothes. I'm always tell you cut out my label. You never see that?
Yeah, me don't see all of them things but where woman feel comfortable with me loud them, you know, you see me, cause at the end of a good day, it was my woman, it was a G girl. You see me, a matter of fact, man, even a G neither. You hear that? Because what? In a real life, for sure you. I'm going to link you back as a G, because what? You claim to say you want your things and I can't go give. And you ask me one question. I ask me if I get my bumbuckler visa. I tell you, say, no, I don't get it. And I could have hear back the day. Say, me no get no visa. And I just laughing at myself after one. Big idiot corruption. You hear that? Uncle Sam give me give me paper, me there in a big apple. One officer.
Visa wife. That you have to talk about, bitch.
One officer. Only thing pussy give bumbo clock, man, you know. A bumbo clock, heartache and stress, you know. Kawa. The man have him work good and see cause you come with your bag of nonsense. Make the man have to lose all him work. You hear that? I want to yeah, big crosses, girl. The man have him 9 to 5. I want to and make the man have to lose him work. Girl, you can't chat to me. You can't chat to me. Where, when? You can't even chat to Queen much as if come talk to me much as. I want to girl.
My blood clot done long time. I done box up in her face or the move your blood clot.
One like your things. There's nothing, man. Come again, man. I want to.
Yeah, man, lower for the man and him wife, man. And no go, man, enough is blood clot enough.
Every day you get up and call people name. Nobody can call your name. I owe you. You bulled up and dopey conqueror. You get lift up and move out from right this man. I want to.
Excuse me. Why do I love you more to blood clot? Because it's when you blood clot, ignorant and dark. Is that different? You a long time them I provoke you. Every minute you come, your husband tell me this boy is so fucking what? You and him did a lick blood clot head and him so if the blood clot enough is enough. Now the blood clot man.
And in a real life to me here you're not nice. That's why not nice. You can't be better in a life. You hear that? You know that. That me have to try. You gotta always stay one blood clot place. So long you there foreigner you can't move, you will never blood clot move. Remember me. Me never wash no mouth on you, but me I tell you, you will never be better than how you is in a life, you cause one way you pray. You can't diss me. And me and them my friends same way. Where? Oh, when? I want to hear you idiot. I would the fuck there, man. I want to hear. I would.
Do that one trace no man. Do one bore up on a dirty blood clot. You think the way
me can't chase with not nice, you know. Me can't listen me in J. Me can't chase with not nice cause G string them boy they wear. Oh, them boy they wear G string.
Blood clot, this man to them woman man said, move on a blood clot. I get where come from. I was awful and disgusting. Move your dirty blood clot. Me stand by my husband. All the blood clot we move on a blood clot.
Is a receipt collector. Cause not even the tax man a collect receipt like blood clot uno. But at the end of a good day, you can't blood clot put out. Not only thing you put out, I want voice note. One voice note what? At the moment, a while ago me hear that biggie that fat silver one day when a man blood clot look for no shape, no time right now. You understand? I come in off a more, but here I'm there in a voice note. Yes, and you notice, as me say, me never bring it on my platform, because me never one day take internet and depend me thing I talk about RT boss. Because in a real life, he wasn't relevant to me. You see me? So me never ever get up on RT. You notice that Uno been a string up the argument there. Yeah, when Uno call me and I say, yo, Ray, my response back to Uno. Me never take up my phone and call none of Uno yet. I want him to now Uno been a call off my phone.
So what me him disrespect blood clot? Me not disrespect him back. So what me now work both blood clot way. We disrespect each other till we respect each other. That's how the blood clot morals there, sir. We both disrespect each other, not one way. The both of us disrespect each other till it turn in a respect. I the respect we are talking about now. Duh. Hello. How are you listening? We disrespect each other, both of us, until now we are here respecting each other. We unite together. And that we are talking about now. Why are you yesterday blood clot?
That girl, let me know how she talk so tough. Who you girl? Boy, you're mad. Can you write you're mad?
She's madder than me.
Boy, you're mad. You're damn right you're mad, girl. Me love how you point out yourself in, girl.
Where do you come from?
Any boy, a matter of fact too. You say any boy when me see there Jamaica come, I can show you how my bad Momo. Me, I can show you how my bad. You can't take no man of Jamaica. Know that. Any money I take a Jamaica in the east, because I bet him any money. If you put you up on him blood clot Instagram, make the world class him bumbo clot. You know, just put you up one day. Not even on him main page, but on him story. Just one day I want him put you up.
What man that makes sense?
Me not fi say nothing to him and me not fi do him nothing. Me know. You hear that? Me know the internet beat him, carry him go and carry him come. Him that clad self. Know that me not ask Christ. No man now put you up, Momo. Cause no man no proud of you then. She my blood clot, you girl. No, and me come give hype and say go shoot. And everybody that run with it for a minute. Remember good no man? Remember good no? Don't to all the man where you clad that tell us straight say, oh, him no want hear about that go shoot thing there. Mostly when the camera is on, you can't say go shoot. Otherwise, from that I could say go shoot. I want him to remember good no man, cause your man never like it. I want him to. So him would go stay with you. Him would go stay with you. When we are walk a blood clot, when we there road a walk, when we there AC hotel when we go do the first interview. I back with the man about buckler walk. The man don't want to walk with your girl. The man proud to walk with you. The man even proud to say I'm girl. You mad? I want to him sister keep blood clot party I will go around there. Eh? Remember good no man? I want to eh?
Yeah, my husband have me up on the page. Get a man to put you up.
Upon phone there. And all the man tell his sister say, yo, what you know? Mama dey on the phone. It take her a good blood clot minute to recognize say, yo, are you dey on the phone? And she come give you one bumbo clot, one teddy bear smile. I want to girl, lift up man. When the people them see Queen man, the Queen people them jawbone gone we around a one part man and hug and Queen wave man. Hey girl, hear me I say no man, lift up off of me and the Queen name and that me have to tell you in a real bumbo clot life.
People, me not lie still, you know. You see, when Momo and Dewey Link did a deal, although I don't know if them stop deal still, but it look like so them left. You see, me never did a look and see nothing I got too far with them. You see me? Me never did a see that because you have to look on it, you know. Momo married, you know. You see me? And the only way Momo can get him for forward which part she there unless she married him. You see me? Or him have to go up at the place and try get him thing for, you know what I mean, fly out or whatever. But all of them did that, when Momo did that put him up and all of them something there. You know what I mean? Me feel like say it was just a thing for a little hype because me never did that. Pre-say it a go reach too far, but make me know what you think. You see me?
You talk about me and the manager. You talk about me and the man. I want a girl. I want thing I can't tell you. Me no want bucky in a real life again, you know. Cause me no want anyhow me bumbo clot see you. Anyhow me see you. Know that. When me
you know, share crosses, not pure no man.
But you got box in a face. But you think of some look rubby. Your man could do that. So oh you for come do that big idiot girl. I want him here.
Do we me tell you something, darling? I'm glad you went and listen out your steam, cause guess so after a time there must be a camera. We do you well, you know, do
you dey on internet. We tell you this, do we? So oh me tell you things that you know no recording and me I tell you nothing. Eh? No uno from not nice to the whole lot of uno. To the big fat one where they on internet and nobody still now look on your girl. Cause nobody I don't them not like your voice. Much as we even like you in person. Cause from they see they know say you're born right corruption. I want to and I can't chat to me. Not true me not come on internet and me a post and me not want to in me think the whole out I see him bumbo clot thing. The whole out now bring down. Cause from the internet on the depend and just bring down people. Hey, that's everything enough for blood clot no.
Make you know in Scotch alive. How the blood clot no no. Make any blood clot by the way trouble me I want to give them knowing. Make the boss.
That big idiot one them man but mad
make
girl a clout you look to you know. You look one break where at night time come down and a man see him can say, oh yeah you there on the internet a go on so. No man no want your girl. Cause no man not spend them money for you, girl. Boy ask husband. Ask husband, he's a blood clot girl where they are Florida sell out your pussy. That's why the same man where you and blood clot Momo that argue over. Now look for none out I two no cause I talk. Hey that. Know that. Cause one place in the stay and blood dread man. You don't even move around. If nobody not have no blood clot card over you. If a man we know no have card, you can't say that I'm a friend. Friend where? That friend you. I want him to hear.
Every blood clot body swallow up in and
I
two
want
should not
him
get
to
swallow with
only
you.
go on internet. You can't chat to man. Remember I told you go war over one blood clot man. Remember good no man? One man make the two
Girl,
fall
when come
out.
say a while ago, say she better than me. I
Eh?
said, Saji and I'm in a mad like
Eh?
her, and I'm like, who's this
You
fucking
see him
bitch?
one day, but she mad member good a one man make you blood clot or what? The man ups in your house, the man ups in you, but the man now. And to him come Momo, you start carry feelings. So what kind of belly you carry now? True blood clot. True me and my wife start back, you carry belly for me. You can't carry belly for me, girl. Me never da beg enough. Me never da beg enough, girl. And me never da ask, know that good enough. Cause me have a message them in my phone same way. Me can screenshot blood clot them in a real life. Know that. Just like that big idiot one day. Like she have some cat. Girl,
Remember,
you have nothing for me,
good no
girl.
man. Hello?
You have nothing for me. Me have a conversation them same way in my phone too. What the fuck you feel like? And yes, when not nice call me, not nice I go pick up for you, no, cause you're my friend. You see me? Big idiot bumbuckler, not nice. You see me? We are be a girl and feel blood clot ticket. You see me?
Hello?
Alright, my people. Right here, so I go end it. Me know what to think in the comment section because Dewey talk a lot of things, you know. So me know what to think, people.